iPhone 13 Pro Max, battery replacement. Battery health shows 89%. Let's change the battery. First, remove display carefully. Then, remove the battery. Battery connector should be removed. It has a special chip which contain original serial number, which should be matched with the new battery. So original connector should be attached to the new battery for programming. New battery is replaced, but need to program it in order to have full health capacity 100%. If it is not programmed, the battery health will not show in the setting. It will show an error message saying that the battery cannot be identified as genuine battery. There is a special tool to program the battery. New battery also showed 89%, because it's not programmed for 100% yet. Special connector is need to program new battery in order to have 100% full health capacity. After is programmed, it shows 100%. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon.